All right, YouTube, what is up? It is a beautiful day today, and guess what day it is? It is new side-by-side day. I'm gonna go get an old Big Red, pick up a couple of my buddies, and we got a little unboxing video for you guys today. It's gonna be pretty sick. All right, dude. Picking up John from Rock Blocks. What up? You're on camera, bro.
What?
You're on camera.
So exciting.
Yeah.
All right, so the strip club first, right?
Yeah, oh, always, dude.
Oh, dude.
Let's do this.
Are you excited?
Dude, are you nervous?
Am I nervous? I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah, I'm excited, bro. I was just thinking about 2017 and you getting your first X3 and us ripping in it and how badass it was.
That was a game changer.
It was a freaking game changer.
Serious game changer. That machine was
You rode the shiz out of that machine that first little while.
And then I broke it.
And then you broke it. So
just barely though, actually. We've had it, I mean, the whole time.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
awesome.
Had a little boo-boo.
Yeah. Last
Couple weeks.
Yeah.
Oh, anyways, I just wanted to do a little quick video. John, my buddy at Rock Blocks, we're going to Rock Blocks this thing up.
Heck yeah.
Here in a bit, but head over to Devin at Utah Valley Power Sports. Check out the new machine, do the unboxing, and go out and rip with this guy a little later, hopefully.
Dude, it's gonna be so much fun.
Coming up, it's gonna be sick. All right, guys, see you in a sec. All right, just pulling up to Utah Valley Power Sports. John, Rock Blocks.
Yeah, buddy.
We're in old Big Red. Got the trailer. Time to cut some straps here. I want to tell Devin at Utah Valley Power Sports thanks. He always is so good to me. Hooks me up. If you guys are looking for a new machine, I think he's got a couple left.
Didn't he give you like half off on it?
Yeah, no, yeah. Devin, basically he just gives them, he hands them out for free.
I mean, the YouTube views are...
No, he's got a bunch of, look at that four seat.
Yeah, look how tall that is.
So he's got a bunch of new ones that are just dropping. And I feel like Utah gets their machines like first. So yeah, if you're wanting a new XRS or XRC, come see Devin. I know he's got at least a few left, but I think they're going to be going pretty fast. Dude, that freaking purple and green is pretty.
It's pretty cool. I actually like the color schemes,
dude.
I like the color schemes on these things.
All right, Utah Valley Power Sports. Let's get out of the truck and let's go get this bad boy. All right, we made it to Utah Valley Power Sports. Man, I love this. I love this new color scheme on the XRS. It looks freaking good. But here she is, Utah Valley Power Sports in Springville, Utah. Talk to Devin if you need a hookup. He's always been so freaking rad to me. I wonder if that's my crate right there. It just might be, but let's go take a look at the showroom. See what's up. I love new side-by-side day. It's the best day. Oh, booyah! Devin's camera shy. Don't be camera shy. Here's Utah Valley Power Sports showroom. Got a few sleds left over. Do this unboxing. All right, got the gang here. Smart-ass co-drivers here. Rock Blocks here. Smart-ass co-drivers brothers here. Thinks he's so smart. Does such a good job co-driving. Let's get this box unwrapped. So this is going to be like the second biggest unboxing on the internet, I think, because I already did the first with the Maverick Max. Like I said, guys, I feel like Utah gets their stuff first. So if anybody else is looking for an XRC or something else, let Devin at Utah Valley Power Sports know. He's probably got a couple more on this first shipment. So I don't think it'll last long, but if you're watching this video and it's not too old, there might be one left. Gonna be sick. Which way's the front? Okay, watch out, homie. She's gonna throw the box that way.
It's there, dude. The front's over there. It just shows you how your
Let's go. Yeah, whatever. I love the unboxing. Oh yeah. Squatted race car mode. Full race car mode. Flat track. Yeah, for real. Do you ever use that thing on the dirt? Okay, that's badass. Flat black and yellow. Yeah. Yeah. So sick. So sick. I love the new wheel. And it's so cool, dude. I feel like we made them do 32s between me, you, and Devin. Like they just decided to skip the 30s and go right for those 32s. Yeah, that's the same setup that I ran on the old one. Then the big horns. Yeah, I love the Maxxis 32. They're awesome. All right, we got a couple knives. All right. Oh yeah, we can do whatever. Yeah, exactly. That's a full preload mode. Dude, it feels good to be getting another Can-Am again. Everybody. Hey, listen, I love my Polaris, but I never said I didn't like my Can-Am. Pretty dope. I love the orange grill is dope. So sick. All right, let's get the boxes off and then we'll cut the straps. Okay, we got Devin and Mike. We're gonna go for the double strap cut here. Whenever you're ready. Oh, boom! The new XCs are definitely sprung a little stiffer. Boom! All right, she's out of the. She's up. We gotta get this thing assembled and test out 195 freaking horsepower. I think the orange looks better in person. It didn't do it justice when you're looking at it on the website, but I love that.
The orange with the flat black was really good.
Yeah, I love this color here. It looks freaking, yeah, the flat black looks dope.
They've done like these creamy colors with like the baby blue before and then this green orange looks good.
Yeah, I love the, yeah, I don't know what it is. It's like that, it's not like full gloss. It's like that milky.
Yeah. Creamy's a good word.
Creamy, yeah, that creamy color looks. Oh, sick, guys. Can't wait to get this thing on the trail. Sand dunes. We gotta do some sand dunes, Devin.
Where's your first ride, dude? Where's your first ride? Where are you gonna take this thing first?
I'd say sand dunes, or we can go hit our fast loop west of the lake.
Yeah.
Because I love rolling that thing. We gotta go, or night. We can go freaking night with it being so hot, but we gotta go the dunes early, maybe.
Yeah.
Dune early.
St. Anthony's in 2 weeks, I think we're going up there.
Oh, that's true. It's the UTV.
It's another couple weeks after that, but we're going up on a non-holiday week on the 8th, I think.
That'd be fun.
What if they do
Maybe I can make it work. All right, guys. Well, there you go. There's your strap cutting. I think we'll get it all assembled, and maybe we'll take it for a quick rip, and then we'll get it in the garage and start doing a few videos. Who was gonna adjust it after Devin?
Who's What?
You gonna drift it too, or?
I'll drift it onto its side.
I know you will. I know you'll drift. You like putting things on their lid, dude.
That's what I'm good at.
Dude, these are hard to tip over too.
Oh, dude.
Well,
not,
for some they are.
not for the Viking over there. It's not. He watches F1 every week. He knows exactly what he's doing.
You learned to drive like that. You're too professional.
All right, well, so here's the deal. I got the second Can-Am at the dealership, and Devin, the owner of the dealership, he got the first. And he told me that he has always wanted to wad one up on YouTube Live. so here we go, dude.
It's not sideways, you're bitching out.
I'm glad those aren't my tires. Yes, dude. Devin's destroying his own tires. It's freaking the best.
We're gonna leave and he's secretly gonna give you that one.
I know. Dude, that thing's got some balls.
Okay, let's put the tires on yours now. Yeah.
No, I was just saying that's so dope for you to do that, so you can smoke your tires instead of mine.
You're gonna deliver this and Brad's gonna go, I'm just switching VIN numbers, yours and mine.
All right, there you go. There's a couple little rips. This thing's got some freaking power. It's gonna be dope. So I already told him you got number 1. I got number 2. Oh, like brand new. Nothing. All right, sweet, dude. This thing's gonna be so much freaking fun. Got some power. Get up to speed so fast. Holy crap, the thing's freaking fast, dude. Here he comes. Oh, she's rolling out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. It was a blast. We had some fun out there. It never gets old. Getting a new machine. Pretty stoked to get it back to the shop and get in the garage and start having some fun with it. I'll try to get it out in the next couple of days on the trail. Do some testing for you, but it's a screamer. Anyways, guys, I appreciate it. I'm excited for the next fun year with some of these new side-by-sides. It's going to be a blast. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.